Oh, this sounds triumphant already. Oh, that rude. You know what's rude? That I didn't have that loud enough to feel that bass in my core. Okay, lyrics were off. I chose my own path. You damn right you did, you damn king.
I feel so numb. 무슨 표정을 지어야 할지, 어떤 기분이 들어야 할지, 모든 감각이 멈비.
Alright, so we might check out some Stray Kids, and we might check out their comeback, which is the title is in Korean, but I'm pretty sure it is called Thunderous. Now, Stray Kids are back. I have not followed closely at all, and obviously I don't usually follow Stray Kids as like teaser stuff closely, but sometimes I like at least see the pictures because of how off Twitter I've been as it pertains to like scrolling and taking in things as I see them. I haven't seen really anything from this. I've seen thumbnails for their teasers, but I've not seen teasers. I have not seen heard anything. I have not really seen concept photos either. So I'm kind of going in completely fresh. I don't know hairstyles. I think I've seen Bangchan. I think I've also seen Felix, but I'm not sure. But I have not really seen much else. I'm coming in here butt ass naked, just not literally, because no one will see all that, and this video wouldn't be up. So let's check out this video, which is on my screen, wider than my forehead. I don't know why I said that, because then people probably gonna look at my forehead and say, like, is his forehead actually that big? It is, but y'all don't really see it because I always wear hats. Oh, is it animated? Oh, this sounds triumphant already. Oh, that rude. You know what's rude? That I didn't have that loud enough to feel that bass in my core. Okay, lyrics were off. I chose my own path. You damn right you did, you damn king. Hold on. Hold on. Bass in the chest. Bass in the chest. Oh. Oh, the outfit. Oh. Oh, I love that, bro, because he came in, his flow was like he was just talking, but it was a full-on rhyme scheme, like it was part of everything. Oh my god. Hey, he's been back for a while too, but I think it's my first time reacting to something while he's back. So welcome back, King. Oh, their outfits, oh my god. Oh! I'm so sorry, I'm dirty. Oh shit, the way the instruments are going actually sounds like Rolling Thunder. Oh, that was smooth. That little move right there. I know they did not replicate a mouth like that when laughing. Thunderous, what's up, alright? Oh, that was so smooth! How was that leg swing so smooth, bro? Oh, that leg swing with the movement up here is so smooth. like a, you know, rub your hands. Ooh!
Dirty.
This is dope. They have a lot of like traditional Korean stuff there. I say stuff obviously because I don't know anything, but I've recognized it from other videos of other groups who've done like similar aesthetic MVs, which traditional Korean stuff is an aesthetic, but you know what I mean, like thematically. You know something I love about Stray Kids when you check them out, that it's always like when they drop a song, it's their vision of the like musically, like entirely. Like obviously groups have their thing and like they put their identity on songs. Like let's say even if they don't contribute to like lyrics or production or anything, sometimes they're like able to put their identity on it, just being them. You know, some groups just like have that strength. Also, bro, the switch between like having like special effects, animation, and then the IRL stuff is really sick. Like for the MV, like this song is very Stray Kids, though it's different from the other songs. You know, they produce their own stuff, so they know themselves better than anyone else does. So they never fail to have their identity on a song, even if it's different from what they've had before, like release-wise, like what their last release was or any of the previous releases. Also, this is their second album. It's called No Easy. I'm anticipating them doing a repackage, probably I don't know, October, maybe October, November. I don't know if that's been confirmed. I'm just anticipating it because. They did that with the last album, I'm pretty sure. Probably not too far away from another Stray Kids comeback being a repackage. But this is dope. I think overall, as an everyday listen, it's a grower. But every Stray Kids songs that I feel that with ends up being like almost a mainstay. Like I can jam to this whenever the fuck it plays.
Smoke.